This unboxing was more of a wow than a kind of, first impression. So please join me as I unbox this huge package from the TikTok shop. I have a lot of items to show you guys and you guys. Some of them I was blown away, and some I was more like a 50-50, yeah, that kind. So this happens to be the first. This is a braided wig, like a full lace braided wig, okay? And this is what it looks like. For your information, this is not made with human hair, but it's made with good quality synthetic hair, okay? So that's what that looks like. This one is also a braided wig, but I call this one braid face cap, just as you just as you can see right here. I have been rocking this braid face cap like non-stop, okay? I just get me ready, and I told you guys in some my previous videos that I've not been able to get my hair done, so I just throw that on and I am good to go. All right, so this is another one. This one, when I was picking this, I don't know what I was thinking. I thought this color wasn't this bright, but then I mean, I have said before, I don't think there's any hairstyle I can pull off, okay? So you guys are going to see the try on and all of that. Oh, you guys, this one blew me far away. Take a look at that hairline. Take a look at the pattern. You guys, it was so soft, so silk. I don't know the best word to use to explain, or rather express myself, how I felt about this hair. So gorgeous, so lush. Oh, you see, as I open mouth, so that's why I open now more. I really, really love it, okay? So I can't wait to show you guys the installation and all of that good stuff. Take a look. Look at that. Look at that. To talk of, anyways, like I mentioned, I'm going to film a separate video on this hair, okay? Of course, this one you have to clock it, okay? So I have another hair from Anytime Hair. So whenever I get hair from this brand, I am 100% sure that it's a good hair. All right, so it comes with its hair essentials, and take a good look. Yes, that. Really love it. I can't wait to try these on as well. So you guys keep your fingers crossed. Okay, so this is another hair. This is a synthetic curly wig, by the way. And it has band. Sorry about that. So I can't wait to try this as well. This is very, very out of my usual hairstyle, but I can't wait to try. I am looking forward for the new experience, okay? This is another hair from Anytime Hair, and this one I can't wait to try as well. Yeah, hair essentials, take a look at that. I am really looking forward to trying these on, because I love the bossy look I'm going to get from, with this hairstyle. So this is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching, please like, share, repost, just all of those stuff to support my page. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.